We are in Doha, and today we are going to the Hilton on Diplomatic Street in West Bay. It is located right next to the Four Seasons. We booked a deluxe room with a king-size bed and sea view. We are on the 4th floor and can see the Pearl. Here once again is the Hilton from the seaside, all the way on the right, next to the Four Seasons and the Sheraton. It's only a few meters to the Hotel Park and Al Dafna Park. We are at the Pearl. By car, it takes about 20 minutes to get to the Pearl. To finish, here are a few more pictures of the beach and the restaurant. We were very satisfied with everything and can highly recommend the hotel.